guys, you're watching Tech Hacks. Now, today I'm going to show you how to download GTA 5 beta version for Android. So guys, let's get started. First, open browser. Now, copy the link that I have given in the description and paste it here and search it. Now, a page will appear and it will say Los Angeles Crime ARM v7.apk. So open in browser. So guys, as you can see, it is downloading. So after it downloads, install the app and open it. Left down corner it says version 1.8 beta. So click on play 3, 4, 5, 6 times until it opens. So guys, you can see here, all of you know it is Michael. So and you all can see there is a map of GTA 5 and a cell phone. So, and you have the effect same as GTA 5 to choose a gun. Here you will get AK-47. You can kill up any person. Now there is a mobile icon here, so click on it and go to contacts and keypad. Now there are many cheats and all the cheats I will give in the description that work in the beta version. So first cheat is for bike 19991111. It means 1999 4 ones. So you can see cheat processing and a bike I have spawned there. You can see, and you can see the mode. You can do stunts over here. There are not so many buildings, but because you know it is a beta version. So guys, now I will once more spawn the bike. Yeah, as you can see. Now if you click back, there will, if you once more click back, there will be day. So these are the features of the beta version of the GTA 5 1.8 and all the updates that this game will add, I will show you. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.